The MyMathLab program is a text-specific online course that provides unlimited tutorial exercises closely correlated to the exercises in your textbook. You will use the MyMathLab program to complete all of your graded lab assignments and your chapter test. This program also includes a multimedia textbook with links to learning aids such as animations and videos, a student solutions manual, PowerPoint presentations, and much more. To register for the MyMathLab program, open the website www.coursecompass.com. You can link to this site directly from Blackboard or open the site independently as I have here on the screen.
I'm in my course. I click on Do Homework, and over here the homework is opened up. Now, to be honest with you, what I'm about to show you works for the quizzes and tests, and it also works for the study plan. They all kind of work the same way. So let me click on a section. Let me click on section 1-2. And you can see there are 10 problems assigned for 1-2. Now, different instructors will have different numbers of problems. Different courses have different number of problems. So all the ones with the little green mark by them, that means that when I get to those problems, there are actually videos available to help me with those problems. Let me click on the first one. And now I'm really getting into my math lab. See how it says my math lab up here? And you can see I'm in section 1-2. There are 10 problems for me to do. Now, the first thing it wants me to do is graph the equation by plotting points, -2x, y equals -2x. So I can use the graphing tool on the right over here, and I like this that you can click to enlarge the graph, and you can make it normal size, medium size, and you can maximize it and make it bigger, whatever you like. If you're going to do a line, I'm going to make it medium size so you can see. I want to graph a line. A line is this little feature right here, so I want to click on the line tool. If you're doing a parabola, you click on the parabola tool or whatever. So I'm going to click on the line tool, and it's going to ask you to plot points on the line. So I'm going to plot the point 0, 0. So I double click on that. Now I'm going to move, well, the slope is -2, so down to, oops, look at the index. This, see how much the tick mark's worth? If this is worth 4, then this is worth 2. So if you go down to right 1, double click, there's a dot. Right? Then I can click Save, and then I can click Check Answer, and it'll tell me I got it right.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to take your first test in my math lab. And here we are in the main page on Course Compass, my math lab. I want you to go to the left panel and click on Chapter Tests. And when you get to Chapter Tests, you're going to see all of our tests listed above. You're also going to see on the left-hand side, it's going to have the due dates, when each test is due. And on the right hand side, you're going to have your time limit for your test, whether you've attempted the test before, and once you've submitted your test, there will be a score listed here. Now we're going to click on this sample test chapter 1 that I created just to get to the test. And you get to the screen. Notice it gives you the name of the test, how many questions there are, when the test is due, and how many minutes you have. There's also a tutorial you can watch on how to enter answers. When you're ready to start the exam, go ahead and click the I am ready to start button on the far right. Now this is going to take you to your test. At the top of the window, you're going to see the test name. You're going to have your questions listed. On the left-hand side, you have the math palette. Notice that you also know how much the question's worth, how many points are in the test, and here's a clock that's counting down your time and how many questions you have completed.